In this box is the Creality Ender 3. Let's check it out. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Thorsten, today with the topic Creality Ender 3, which is inside this box. Here a few pictures of the unboxing. The base unit was delivered pre-assembled. The Z-axis need to be assembled completely by your own, so there's no pre-assembly here. And you need to attach the display and the power supply unit to the frame. So there's a little bit more of work pay on this printers compared to other printers for the assembly, but after 40 till 45 minutes the printer assembly is done and the printer is ready for work. The frame is made from 40-40, 40-20 and 20-20 aluminium extrusions with V-slot, and the build size is 220 in X and Y and 250 in Z direction. X, Y and Z is using the approved guiding with POM wheels and V-slots, which is working much better than I expected in the past. But it's approved on several other printers like the CR10, the Tivo Tornado and a lot of other printers, and it's working well. The Z movement is done by using only one Z spindle. I had concerns in the beginning as I saw the GTEC N10 as well by using only one Z spindle, because on my CR10 I had to upgrade to a second one, but the CR10 is much wider as the Ender 3. And till now the A10 and the Ender 3 are working well, so I think for the future there should be no issues. The material supply to the hot end is ensured by this Bowden system. This Teflon tube could be a little bit shorter to reduce the friction in the tube, but it's working well. On the heat bed are big wheels to level the bed, so the leveling is pretty comfortable. Creality is using a removable and flexible Build-Tech clone as print surface, which is great. The adhesion is very good and the print is easy to remove. Only bend a little bit the plate and remove the print. So that's all about the mechanics, I think. Let's talk about the electronics. The Ender 3 is using a 24 volt power supply unit, which powers the 24 volt heated bed and the 24 volt hot end. By the basis of the 24 volt system is, in my opinion, an MOSFET not absolutely necessary. The cable management is good, all wires are placed in a good way, and a great XC60 plug has been used to connect the power supply unit and the mainboard. Unfortunately, Creality did not use end caps for the wires on the mainboard connections, which is a huge safety issue from my point of view. This can be done much better even in this price category, like GTEC showed us with their A10. The stepper drivers are soldered directly to the mainboard, so there's no upgrade possible if you won't buy a new mainboard. The display is a full graphics display, which don't blow us away nowadays, but if you consider the price point, it's pretty good. So now to the most important point, the printing quality. I printed this stuff. I printed the Terminator head, the little dog which was on the micro SD card, another dog and the olds. The printing quality is pretty nice. It's compared the same to the GTEC A10 or the CR10. So there's not much difference in printing quality. On this dog I had a little bit an issue with blobs. I'm not sure where does it come from. So to be sure that it's not up to the filament, I did it with another one and it's the same. So I think it's up to my G-code. I will tweak it a little bit and I hope that's it. Here's my summary. For around 150, 160 euros, you get a good equipped printer. Aluminium frame, 24-volt system, Bowden system, full graphics display. So it's great, the printer is working well, you get good parts, you get good quality prints. So the prints are on the same level like the GTEC A10, the Creality CR10 or a lot of other printers. The only issue I don't like is the issue with the electronics. I miss the end caps on the mainboard, on the wires to the mainboard. So that's a safety issue in my point of view. And okay, the mainboard has soldered stepper drivers on it. So for beginners, it's okay. I think advanced users would like to have more possibilities to tune this printer. For a future project or a future video, I could do a comparison between my GTEC A10 and this Ender 3. If you're interested in, please let me know down in the comments. I would be happy if you commented. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.